Here are the top 10 animals you'll probably never see. 1. Thylacine, Tasmanian tiger, died out in the 1930s. Extinct, likely. 2. Yangtze River dolphin, Baiji. First dolphin driven to extinction by humans. Functionally extinct. 3. Pinta Island giant tortoise. Last member died in 2012. Extinct. 4. Vaquita. Fewer than 10 remain in a small area of the Gulf of California. Critically endangered. 5. Amur leopard. Less than 100 wild individuals remain. Critically endangered. 6. Saola. Elusive Asian unicorn, rarely seen since 1992 discovery. Critically endangered. 7. Hainan gibbon. Only one population left. Fewer than 30 total. Critically endangered. 8. Ivory-billed woodpecker. Considered extinct despite occasional claims of sightings. Likely extinct. 9. Giant ibis. Highly threatened, lives in shrinking remote Cambodian forests. Critically endangered. 10. Cuban crocodile. Confined to 2 main swamps. Pure specimens are rare. Critically endangered. These vanishing creatures serve as a stark reminder of the incredible biodiversity we have lost and continue to risk losing across the globe.